Good morning, Jr4. Last video, I talk about the physical change, okay? In this video, I will talk about the second type of the changes of the matter, that's the chemical change. I said the physical change, it's the change in the shape only of the matter, but the same structure. But now I will talk about the chemical change. Chemical change, the change in the shape and the structure of the matter. In the shape and the structure of the matter. So it will produce a new substance with different properties. So in the chemical change, the change in the shape and the structure of the matter, producing a new substance with different properties. Okay? So the difference between the physical and chemical change, that the physical change in the shape only. But in the chemical change, the change in the shape and the structure of the matter. Examples about the chemical change. Number one, burning of any matter, like wood, sugar, paper, candle. Okay? So, any burning of matter, it will produce a new matter, so the change in the shape and the structure. Okay? So, it's a chemical change. But melting of any solid matter is considered as a physical change. Okay? But burning of any matter is a chemical change because the change will be in the shape and the structure of the matter. Number two, production of yogurt from the milk. It will be a chemical change. Number three, rusting of the iron. What is the meaning of rusting of the iron? Rusting means formation on the surface of the iron, okay, brittle brown layer, okay, formation of brittle brown layer on the surface of the iron, okay, when the iron exposed to oxygen and water, it will become rusting of the iron, okay, so it produces a new matter and the change in here in the structure and the shape of iron, so it's a chemical change. So number one, burning of any matter like sugar, wood, paper is a chemical change. Number two, production of yogurt from the milk. Number three, rusting of the iron. The iron rusts when it is exposed to oxygen and water. So what is the meaning of rusting of the iron? It means formation of a brittle brown layer on the surface of the iron, like this picture. Okay? Good iron, but here iron rusting. Okay? Number four, the digestion process is a chemical change. The digestion process is a chemical change. Number four, addition of yeast to pastry. Okay? It's a chemical change. Number six, adding sodium bicarbonate to vinegar. It's a chemical. It's a chemical change because it's a chemical reaction. So it will produce a new matter or a new substance with different properties. So it's a chemical change. After that, rot and fermentation of the fruits. Okay? It's a chemical change. So any chemical change means change in the shape and the structure of the matter, produce a new substance with different properties. Okay, Jr4. Now, examples. Now, give a reason for the following. When ask you a question, give a reason, chemical change or physical change, you will write the definition of the physical or the chemical change according to his question. Okay? So, number one, burning of wood is a chemical change because it's a change in the shape and the structure, producing a new substance with new properties. Number two, formation of a layer of rust on the surface of wet iron wire, rusting of the iron. Why? Because or due to the chemical change that produced from the reaction between iron and both of water and oxygen. When the iron reacts with oxygen and water, it will rust. Okay? Complete. The chemical change is a change in the structure. Number 2, burning of wood is considered as a burning, chemical change. Number 3, the freezing of molten wax drops is considered as a physical change. Okay, freezing. Number 4, iron rust when it's exposed to water and oxygen. Number 5, sharing of bread means burning of the bread is a chemical change. Number 6, melting of wax is considered as a physical change, while burning of a candle is a chemical change. Any melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation is a physical change, but any burning of any matter is a chemical change. Okay? You have to solve worksheet number 8 and 10 and the weekend sheet 8. Worksheet 8, worksheet 9, and the weekend sheet number 8. Okay? Goodbye, Jr4.